Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Voicemod on Roblox. All right, so let's begin with the video. To use Voicemod on Roblox, you first need to set everything up correctly inside Voicemod itself. Open Voicemod and go to settings from the left side, then check your input microphone and output speakers or headphones devices. Make sure your real microphone is selected as the input and your preferred headphones or speakers are selected as the output. This ensures Voicemod is receiving your voice and processing it properly. Next, you need to configure your system audio settings. Go to your computer's settings. Once here, go to System, then go to Sound and look for Input under the Input section. Select Voicemod Virtual Microphone as your default input device. This step is important because it routes your voice through Voicemod before any app like Roblox picks it up. After that, open Roblox and go into Settings from the in-game menu. Scroll down to the Input Device option and choose Voicemod Virtual Microphone or similar. For output, you can keep your normal headphones or also select Voicemod's output if needed. Once selected, resume the game and make sure your voice chat is enabled. Now, when you speak, Voicemod will modify your voice in real time inside Roblox. Just turn on any voice effect in Voicemod and it should work instantly in-game. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Voicemod on Roblox. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.